wants us to become a purposeful branch, no? When you say purposeful branch, it is an absolute, complete dependence of the branch to the vine. Totoo naman, di ba yung branch, wala siya magagawa kung di siya nakatouch sa vine. So kung ano yung sinusupply ng vine, yun ang tinatanggap ng branch in the natural. Kasi wala siyang papukunan ng ibang source, kundi doon sa vine, sa true vine. Amen. And today, God is warning us and giving us this direction. Continue to abide in the vine. In order for us to grow, to mature, is to become always connected in the vine. Alam po lahat po na aspeto ng buhay natin, physically, emotionally, even financially, we should be always be connected to the true vine. You cannot be financially secure, mentally secure. You cannot be physically secure, tama? If your spiritual life is dead.